We start them young around here on that double wheel hoe. Good job, buddy.
All the way down there to the last row of corn. Oh, don't go over the pipe.
Oh, no.
That's okay, we can fix it easy enough.
There you go. Man, that's a great job you're doing there, bud.
Do it.
You gonna push it? Push it. You gotta learn sometime. Is it hard?
Here, put your hands up here. Alright, push hard. Push. Push. There you go. Alright, that's good. Here. Flip this switch.
I did it.
Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna try to put some speed to it this time.
Wow, look how quick.
Alright, go further up.
Okay, do it really fast.
Hold on, you came off. Come here. Bring it back up here. Alright. Keep going. Keep going. No, leave it alone. Just keep going.
Man, you're getting so good at that.
It's done.
Come on, keep tightening it. It's not tight enough. The way you push this wheel hoe, we'll lose a blade. Come on. Good job. All right, go put it in the toolbox. Nope. 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 Yep, right there. Atta boy.
We have already fertilized our corn through our injector system with a 20-20-20. Once our corn gets about 12 inches tall, we will take Chilean Nitrate and side dress it. Now, the Chilean Nitrate we got from Hoss Tools, and we have a link in the description below. Once we sprinkled the Chilean Nitrate along the corn, we went ahead and by hand we hilled our corn, which is spelled H-I-L-L. We didn't get to use our high arch wheel hoe. Something was up with the blades. We just couldn't get it right, so we went ahead and just hilled it by hand. Finally, got the time to process 11 of our roosters, and they were black copper marrons, Easter eggers, olive eggers, Rhode Island raw, red barred rock, and 3 older hens that weren't laying anymore. So we needed to get that done. We ended up with about 55 pounds, and we plan on cooking those down probably in a crock pot since they were about a year old. And we may, if they're too tough, we'll just end up giving them treats for the dogs or use as part of our dog food. These are Bob Gordon's. I want to keep them, the variety separate. That's all right. Bossy, come here. Of our
Down by the grapefruit trees.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we can put elderberries on both sides. Because we know those don't get massive. Just keep it off that fast. Okay, that looks good. We have our loquat planted, and we went ahead and transplanted this is pineapple guava there, and we did another fig tree that is a Celeste. And then I went ahead and transplanted my elderberries that I started from my cuttings from my other ones. This first one actually is an American variety that I just bought. The rest, I know it's hard to see in this video, but the rest are my Bob Gordons that I had bought a couple years ago and started from cuttings I bought from a farm in Missouri. And I've gotten elderberries, and then I had to go ahead and prune those and started more. We got the rose bush planted, and I believe that is a Louis Philippe rose. Not sure how you pronounce it, but that I wanted to have for rose hips later. All right, we're going to give you guys an update on the bees today, and we'll check out how they're doing.
Lots of comb on this one. It's all new. That's great.
But you know how this one had some honey on it? I didn't see any the other day when I pulled them out.
Was it this one?
I thought it was.
I don't see any honeycomb on this one.
So that next one that they're building on, that's new, right?
All brand new.
Nice.
I just made all of that.
Cool.
Yeah, because this one was the one that was doing so well.
This hive, you mean?
Yeah.
Here she is.
Seriously?
Yep, she's over here.
I told you. I don't have my glasses on. Can you see her with the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't know if the camera can see it. Be still. Yep, she's right under there.
And the owner is blind as a bat.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, flip it and you'll see her. She's right up here at the top.
Yep, I see her now.
It's hot.
So,
Hey there, girl.
Let's see the larva.
oh wow. So right up in here, there's white in the cells if you can get it. Do you see it?
Well, it's hard looking through this and through the camera.
She has a lot of eggs on this. Yeah, she's been busy. Did you check the next one?
No, not yet. Alright, move, guys.
So that's all new.
I don't have my glasses on, so I wouldn't see.
All right, we're done checking the bees, and the blue hive looks really good. But we checked the peach color hive, and they're gone. So a little disappointed. Don't know what happened. We have plenty to eat around here. Don't know. And I guess you can ask 50 different people and everybody would tell you the reason, but you know, it could be one of many things. But anyway, so we lost the hive. They're gone. And sorry, I'm taking off this honey suit, as my grandson calls it. It's hot. So now we're down to one hive. So I guess we're gonna have to replace that one, and they're not cheap. Here, thank you. So kind of wasn't planning on that update, but it is what it is. Also, you'll see in the video that when we transplanted the loquat tree, all the elderberries, the rose bush, the fig, and the pineapple, guavas, and the papayas, I didn't show actually planting all the rest of that stuff. The reason why is because, first of all, it's boring. We, and like 5,000 people will tell you their way is the right way, but our nursery guy, Sam, told us just to plant it in a hole. We do it, dig a hole deep enough, you know, that the top of or the base of the plant is at ground level. We don't fertilize it. We don't add anything to it. We just put it in the hole, fill the hole up with water, let that soak down good, fill it up with, you know, the dirt that came out of the hole. We don't put compost or anything like that. And then we just make sure we keep it watered really well, probably for about 3 weeks. Then, after about 3 weeks, we will side dress it with probably some chicken manure tea. We'll pour that around each plant, but we don't fertilize for actually about 30 days. 3 weeks of good watering, and about 30 days we will fertilize all of our fruit trees. So that's why I didn't show all of that. It's nothing super hard. So, you know, you having to sit there and watch every plant and every variety, we did it all the same. So that's how we do it. Like I said, everybody's different. So, you know, we try to keep it simple. And like I said, we have someone who is super knowledgeable, and I trust what he tells me. So, anyway, gosh, I'm bummed about the bees. Dadgummit. So anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the little bell so you'll know when we update and add new videos. And keep on, you guys. Things seem like they're deteriorating pretty fast. Help each other. You know, if there's things that you don't really need, go ahead and get some things. So, you know, you're probably going to end up having to help somebody, whether your family or friends. Hang in there. Hopefully there's better days ahead. Maybe. We'll see. But God's in control. So that's all I can, you know, have total faith in. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. See you on the next one.